This project was primarily looking at occupational health issues with one of the guys who works at Formpave. He's been with the company for quite a few years. He's got some severe disabilities in terms of he was born deaf and dumb. Just over a year ago, he also underwent a serious operation which resulted in an ileostomy being attached to his chest, which gave him some challenges on being able to carry out all of his normal working duties. This was highlighted towards the back end of last year, where we started to look at what we could do in terms of Michael's occupational health issues and what we could do on site to be able to bring him back into the mainstream team. There were a number of dangers. One, Michael being deaf, could not hear a fire alarm, could not react to the fire alarm. Two, if he had an accident on site, he could not call out, could not raise the alarm. And three, there was a lack of visibility. There was a lot of danger spots, stroke black spots on site where Michael tends to work frequently, and there was a lack of visibility within those areas. So here we have three of the systems which we've implemented as part of the project for Michael, and also which are utilised by the other guys which work on site. So first of all, we got the fire alarm pager, which Michael will carry around with him. If the fire alarm is activated, it'll vibrate in his pocket, giving him a message on the front of the screen to evacuate the building. We've also got the man down alarm, which again is used by Michael and other employees on site. This is linked into an audible alarm system, so if Michael is not vertical for 10 seconds or more, it will activate, sounding off an alarm. And we've also got the CCTV systems, where we've upgraded a number of the cameras on site to give greater visibility across the site. So in addition to the CCTV and the man down and fire alarm systems, we also had a number of areas reclassified on site from confined space to restricted access. We also bought in specialised rescue equipment which enabled Michael and supported Michael to work in those areas. We've also carried out other activities on site, such as improving the lighting within the manufacturing areas and full upgrades on the emergency lighting, which benefits everybody on site. I think you can show other site managers, responsible managers, directors that you don't always have to take the easy option. Through a little bit of hard work and a little bit of investigatory, that you can come up with permanent solutions to support your workers, whether they've got disabilities or non-disabilities. And the systems that we've put in on site can easily be rolled out across other parts of the business. And I'm sure there's other people on other sites who may be in a similar situation to Michael in terms of his disabilities, which again, our systems could be adopted.